Welcome guys to another video. Today we have a Samsung refrigerator and I would like to show you how to clean the water dispenser or the ice road due to it's get a little bit dirty. So this model that we're gonna work today is this one. Otherwise the majority of the Samsung refrigerator have the same ice road, so it's no big deal. So I'm gonna show you here. How you can see is really dirty inside the road area, so we are gonna clean it. I'm gonna show you how to disassemble and get it clean, so keep watching the video. The first things to do to remove the panel is remove the Phillips screw, as we can see on the picture with a Phillips screwdriver. The panel has just one screw. The next step, after you remove the screw, with your hands pull all your fingers on the back, and with your thumb you support and pull out, and then you're gonna listen and snap just like that. Then just take it all the way down. It's gonna be a little stuck due to the water house, so just be careful. The water house is attached to here, to just here, so be careful, be gentle. So have you see it's a little bit dirty, so we are gonna clean all of this. To remove this electronic connector, you have to apply pressure with your thumb here and then push it out. That's it. Now we have to remove the case ice root. It had just a two screw, just one here and another in the left button, so it's a Phillips. The same thing, you have to remove the connector first. Maybe take this out, and have the hose out, then push it, and it's disconnect. And this, we are gonna check if this is dirty. We have to clean it. Looks like it has a good pressure and the rubber is okay. Most of the time this click get broken or defective and do not do a proper pressure, but you see this is mold. Jesus, look at that, this mold over there. So here we go. So now you see it's clean, at least this part is already clean. I cover that, so just an easy. So whatever middle removal that you get, that's okay. Now here, so we have to, I'm just gonna remove this to make a better clean this better, and it's so easy. Just we have to be careful with this. You're gonna put one of this side, just this side, because this side is more longer than this one. So put it like that, and then you just go down. Just go on one side, and then there we go. So now we just have to push this. You just take this way and pull this way, then this one, and you can take this out. Nothing is broken. You can take this piece. Then when you're gonna put it back, just you need to take this way and put it. So now, for now, we just have to clean it. see it's really dirty. So look at this. Whoa. This. Whoa. Just gonna take this out, clean it. Clean all those. Now here we have a steamer. So this is like a vapor machine. Okay, here we go. You see how deep it is? So let's see. It's very important use a glove, as you can see, because remember it could be hot due to the steamer, so be careful. Okay, now here we are. So we put this piece together, so make sure inside you make a perfect dry out. Okay, and now we are gonna assemble again this. Remember this one. There we go. Okay, now you're gonna put this all the way back here to this area. Okay. Put there and then go back. Though go on this side, you have to go. You see. This way at the bottom there are like a little space so that you can get put inside. This way. There we go. Perfect. Working again. So okay, let's put the ice case back here. It's very important to put this wire this way, so the water house have to be on front of the cable, not on the positive side. Okay, have to be connected. Now we have this piece, we already cleaned it. Don't be concerned about this. This is because the water, but it's not two things. That's maybe you can use a little brush, something, but at least it's not dark like before. It's much better, so it's okay. So let's put this back. Remember, the house, the water house, has to be in this little hole here, over here. Okay. So first thing, disconnect the panel. Pretty easy. Just put connector this way. Shit. That's it. Then the same way. Try make sure when you putting the panel back, use your finger to guide the water house and get into the guidelines. This way. Behind, a lot of pressure when you can break the screen. A best view of the bottom of the. So here is the screw. There we go. And here the water house, you see how you can see it. So make sure that it's not getting stuck into the tracks. So and again. Now we have finished with our sensor refrigerator. So we have the dispenser really cleaned and working well. So for more videos, just remember subscribe to my channel and remember, thumbs up.